Yo, what's up? It's me, Kyuro. I will show you what you should do, and what shouldn't in Codm. Well, 1. Reload each kill. To solve this, you just need to run before reloading, or hide before reloading. Number 2. Camping. People camping because they don't know to use SR properly. To solve this, all you're gonna do is practice. Number 3. Walk spam.
Contact with enemy. Target down.
All beginner doing spam walk. Spam walk is things that you don't slide, switch gun, etc. Enemy can kill you easier because your character was moving slow. To solve those problems, try switch gun to melee, peek slide, slide plus jump or cancel jump. If this video helped you a lot, click
Share
the
this
subscribe
video,
button and share to other for another tutorial vids. You can also follow me on TikTok.